Make a great choice today with the 2018 Jeep Wrangler Unlimited. The Jeep Wrangler Unlimited is an on- and off-road capable vehicle that was made for you to enjoy. Stylish, rugged, and comfortable, all traits of the Wrangler that let you decide where you want to go and how you want to get there, and is priced below $55,000. This vehicle has less than 700 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, passenger airbag, Bluetooth, power steering, tilt and telescopic steering wheel, cruise control, convertible, compass, fog lamps, power windows. Is love at first sight really possible? Let us know when you stop in.